Meaning of hazily.
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 Hazily. The word hazily is an adverb that means unclearly or indistinctly, often due to a lack of clarity or focus. Something that is described as hazily may be difficult to see or understand clearly. The term can be used both literally and figuratively. For example, if someone describes a distant mountain range as appearing hazily in the distance, they mean that the landscape is not clearly visible due to atmospheric conditions. Alternatively, one might describe their memories of a long-ago event as hazily remembered, suggesting that the details are fuzzy or imprecise.